The government on Thursday said over 32,000 RTI requests are pending with the Central Information Commission. Minister of State in the Prime Minister Office Jiten Singh said. A standoff continues between the government and the opposition over the demand for resignation of Union Minister of State for Home Ajay Kumar Mishra Teni and withdrawal of suspension of opposition member in the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case. Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone of 594-kilometer long Ganga Expressway at Shahjahanpur. The expressway will be built at a cost of rupees 36,200 crore on the emergency of Air Force plane. A memorandum addressed to the President under the leadership of Om Prakash Pandey, President District Congress Committee Balia, demanding the dismissal of Ajay Kumar Mishra alias Teni, the representative of the District Magistrate. Anjali Sharma, 17-year-old climate activist of Indian origin, is being discussed a lot in Australia. In May this year, he spoke to the Australian government about the harm to the future of children due to climate change. Virat Kohli had said in the press conference for the tour of South Africa that he is tired of the never-ending speculation over differences with Rohit Sharma, Indian Test captain Virat. A senior Ukrainian minister has claimed that World War III could start if Russia attacks. These days, more than 1 lakh Russian soldiers are stationed on the border of Ukraine with heavy weapons. Hu Xijin, editor of the Global Times, China's official siren, has announced his retirement. Hu Xijin, who instigated China's false nationalism through Global Times and social media, posted his retirement on Weibo. Shane M. Grisso, Associate Professor and Associate Investigator at the ARC Centre of Excellence for Climate Extreme, Monash University in Melbourne, December 16 last week in the Western Equatorial Administration. The government on Thursday said in Parliament that the Indian Space Research Organisation has signed 6 agreements with 4 countries for the launch for foreign satellites. Cases of COVID-19 infection are increasing continuously in Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai, while 32 such patients have been found so far in the state who were infected with Omicron variants. In Bollywood too, Kareena Kapoor and her friends report are positive.